So hey, I hope you guys are doing well, and it's a pretty sunny day outside, I can see that. Anyways, moving on, let's talk about the topic, that's why you're here. So we'll talk about the Mi 11. Xiaomi's Mi 11 is launching next month on the 7th of March. Actually it's 9th of March, and I forgot that date. That's me for you. So it's on 9th of March, and if you don't want to forget the date like me, you should add in your calendar. That will come in handy. Anyways, moving on. So in this video, what you will get from me, so I will tell you all about the specs of the Mi 11 and doing a little bit of review, because I will be telling you that this phone is worth it for you or not. So it will be a little bit long video for you, obviously it will. You can accept that. It will be a long video. Anyways, that's how I operate. I make long videos and I operate myself. That's again me for you. So anyways, let's roll over the intro so it will take a less time for you to understand what I'm saying. And yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. So intro. So now then, let's talk about its specs before I forget the specs. So here are the specs. So it will be having 6.81 inches of screen with 120Hz of refresh rate, and after that you will be getting a Corning Gorilla Glass Vector support with it. The same Gorilla Glass has been in Galaxy S21 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra. Yes, they both came with this same Corning Gorilla Glass Vectors. Yeah, I'm forgetting the things. Moving on, so it will be having 1440 into 32 pixels in it. After that, in the phone you will be getting MIUI 12 in it. Obviously it's a Xiaomi phone, you will be getting MIUI 12. I mean, you already know that, but of course it's my responsibility to tell. Anyways, you will be getting Android 11 out of the box, and in the phone you will be getting Snapdragon 888, which is the latest Snapdragon from Qualcomm. It's a 5nm chipset. Moving on the back of the phone, it will be having 108 megapixel of camera on the back. It is a wide angle camera and wide angle, and plus you will be getting 13 megapixel of ultra wide angle camera. So yeah, you can switch between that. You don't want to exhaust your storage with 108 megapixels of picture quality, so you're getting the point. The size will be bigger of 108 megapixel image, and the size will be smaller of 13 megapixel of picture. Are you understanding? Yeah, I'm a bit confusing myself. So anyways, after that it will be having 5 megapixel of macro camera, and I remembered that macro camera. Yeah. So on the front side of the phone, it will be having 20 megapixel of front facing wide angle camera, which is again a good camera, I think so, and because it's 20 megapixel obviously. And moving on, it will be having 4600 mAh of battery, and ignore the noise in the background, and it will be coming with 55 watt of fast charging support, and again ignore the noise in the background. I can't do anything about it. Yeah, I think that's all about the specs you will be getting in the phone. Plus you can reverse charge any phone from your 11. So you can reverse charge any phone. So basically you can reverse charge your phone from Mi 11, and what you have to do is just take the phone and flip the Mi 11 and take your another phone which supports wireless charging and put it on the phone. On the phone means Mi 11. Yeah, put it on Mi 11, and yeah, it will charge your phone, and it will support 10 watt of reverse charge. So yeah, it can supply 10 watt of charging to another phone. So you're getting my point. Anyways, let's talk about its review, because my storage is exhausting right now. So about the review, it has an AMOLED screen. I'm a really fan of an AMOLED screen, so just I'll wrap again. So going really with the flow. So yeah, I'm a really fan of an AMOLED screen, and it is really decent. It's a big screen, but yeah, decent for me because I'm a gigantic hands. So anyways, so it has Snapdragon 888, which is again a really great processor, because it's has a powerful GPU and CPU, and it's powerful than A14 Bionic and exhaustness 12100. I mean 2100, not 12100. It's full than 2100. So yeah. So it also has 108 megapixel of camera. So it is the same megapixel as the previous one, but a lot of changes are made. The night mode has been changed, and the sharpness and the quality of pictures have been changed. So it is all new, improved camera you will be getting in the phone. And again, on the front side you will be getting 20 megapixel of camera. Again, it's a really great package, and I am little bit disappointed for the battery, because they can also give 5000 or 6000 mAh of battery, but they have settled with 4600 mAh of battery, which is a little down point for me. But anyways, it's good to go, because you can your phone and it will be exhausted after one day. It also supports 55 watt of fast charging, which is again really disappointed me, because the processor itself supports 100 watt of fast charge, at least give 65 watt of fast charge. But anyways, 55 watt is still considerable, I think so. But anyways, the amount, if we see if this phone launches in 65,000 rupees, then I can say you can buy it, because the phone is obviously worth it because of its price and its specs. Snapdragon 888, 108 megapixel of camera, 20 megapixel of front camera, powerful processor, best cameras right now in the phone games. So yeah, you can do anything with this phone and AMOLED screen. Well, that's all. And I think if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, because if you want to buy this phone, you can buy it. I allow you to buy it. You can go buy it. So yeah, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I'm signing out. Subscribe if you haven't. Press the bell icon and hit the like button, because you should.